Hi, I'm Liv and welcome to Nature Walks with Liv. I'm your host today. Let's go. We got some debris in the way. Alright, can anybody tell me the difference between a red pine needle and a green? Anybody? Anybody?
What's the difference?
Okay, so these pine needles that you find on the ground, they're freaking dead. But the green ones, they're alive and well. Look at those electros. I'm just gonna leave this here. Alright, let's keep walking. I think that's a dam. Let's investigate. Be careful walking downhill. It can be a bit slippery. So if you walk in zigzags like so, it is a little bit easier. And you can get your steps in on your nature walk. Okay, this is taking too long. We're running! This was definitely not made by beavers. This is a human dam. Those are full trees. See, a beaver can't do that. They don't get the roots like we do. This root right here is still alive, even though the birch, the bark fell off. Like, see, there's freaking living things in there still, so obviously. Oh, this is nice. Somebody made a little path for us. Also, side note, don't wear sneakers on dead leaves. A little slippery when they're dry. Get something with traction, you know, like cleats. Cleats are really nice because, you know, they dig into the ground a little bit. Oh, do you hear that? Roaring water. Fresh. Did you know when pine cones fall from the tree, that those are actually the future babies of America for food? So leave them on the ground. They'll plant eventually. Okay. We're getting into a danger zone, so make sure you stay close to the banks. If you fall in, just scream for help. If nobody comes, you're probably dead. Ah, there we have it. Water. Isn't that great? This is where I take my daily showers. Sometimes I have visitors like bears, fish, and squirrels. But don't worry, I scare them off with my bell and my roar. Ah! Then they just keep going. Wow, the river is this deep, guys. This deep. Careful now. Let's plant some of these baby pine cones, okay? Let's get them wet. Trees will grow at the end of the river. Okay. Do you guys ever just take a stick and pretend that you guys are on probation and you have to do community service and pick up the garbage? Because sometimes I sure do. I got a leaf! Nature. Now what kind of animal makes these type of tracks, huh? Can anybody tell me? Leave a comment down below. There's my house. Let's go take a look at it. I'll give you a tour. Home. That's all. You're not getting too personal into my life here. That's too much. Too much. Apparently we have some wild horses running around my woods here. We're gonna have to tame them. Nature sure takes a lot out of me. I'm whipped. Oh god, my side, it's cramping. It's cramping! Sorry. Doesn't this smell like mint?
Minty.
You can make mint tea with it. Would you like to try my mint water?
I'm all set.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. Where does this trail go? Oh, sorry. Sometimes I just get so into nature that the ground just all looks the same. Does anybody know how to whistle with one of these? Because I don't. I got dirt in my eyes. Now, when you come across a part like this in the path, right? And it's gonna be in your face, act like you're swimming and push it away. If you ever get winded and don't know if you can keep going, just stop and take a breath, because it's really hard work going uphill. Okay, we're good. Alright, that concludes our nature walk for today.